Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this jump start. This is TREKURE 3500 amp jump start power pack 12 voltage car battery booster jump start up to 9.0 liter gas or 8.5 liter diesel engine car starter power bank with LED flashing light, jump pack with jump LED. The brand is TREKURE. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer, voltage 12 voltage, product dimension 14.2 centimeter for diameter, 12.5 for width, and 8.5 centimeter for height. Item weight 0.37 kilogram. This is a powerful jump starter. Start in seconds. This compact TREKURE jump starter power pack provide a peak current of 3500 amp, making it easy to start most vehicles like cars, motorcycle, up to 9 liter petrol or 8.5 liter diesel engine. Whether it is chilling winter morning or your vehicle has been standing idle for a while, it quickly jumpstarts your car, ensuring you are always ready to go. Car jump starter power bank charge on the go. This mobile phone size jump starter doubles as a jump starter power bank, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, or other device in case of an emergency. Weighing just 300 grams, friendly, perfect for on-the-go charging and emergency. 4 mode, 300 LM LED flashing light. Be ready for any emergency. Equipped with a 300 lumen super bright LED flashing light. This car battery booster jump start features 4 essential modes. Steady light for illuminating dark areas during repair or camping. White strobe to increase visibility and attract attention in a low light conditions. Orange flashing warning mode to act as visible roadside warning light during breakdowns, and SOS mode as a critical rescue signal in distress situations. Durable and waterproof, ready for any challenge. Built with a waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant shell. This car jumpstart withstand rain, snow, rain, give you peace of mind in any environment. Keep your jump starter ready. Ensure your jump starter has at least 50% battery before each use for a reliable boost. If not, in regular use, recharge your jump starter every 3 months to maintain optimal performance and extend battery life. Recharge anywhere. Portable power bank for all your device. USB Type-C input, USB output. So 4-in-1 light. So we're going to unbox this stuff. See what it looks like. TREKURE jump starter. You switch it on and off on this button, the USB, and USB Type-C. This is the lid and the information pack. USB Type-C cable included. This is the power lead, which contains black and red attached together. Quick start guide. This is the main unit here, and this side you have USB and USB Type-C. Open it up this way. You switch this on and off from this button, showing us 75% light. Yeah, so, and this is where you put the lid. Just open it up. Then you take this. This goes in here. See, showing us a green light. So yeah, very much happy. So you just need to pull it to remove it. And yeah, so this is the unboxing and overview. These are the stuff included in the packaging, and I will encourage you to go through the quick start menu, and yeah, before you use this. And also this is the carrier bag. These can go in here, and we're happy with it because you can put it here and put it in your car. If you don't want to carry, put it in a box. So yeah, this product it deserves your attention for emergency. So yeah, this is what we have here, TREKURE jump starter. Thank you.